Friends, this is Rohit Khanna again on my YouTube channel Unforgettable Motivation. This is a nice video on my rules which I have made, 11 rules of happiness. First rule which I say is that you should always be remembered by people who always say that you are the person to whom they want to accompany. So the first rule is called that you should never abuse, never misbehave, and never criticize. This rule I have made it as ABC analysis. For happy living, never abuse anybody. For a better living, don't criticize others. And for much better living, don't ever misbehave. Second rule is to make yourself very powerful and you want to be happy. You should always be in a position where you are on the driving seat. Your future is in your hand. Everything and anything is here in your mind. And we say that if you want to change others, first change yourself. If you don't want to change yourself, you want to change others, there is a saying called people die but habits don't die. So my second rule would be change yourself to change your attitude. Change yourself to change your nature. Change yourself to change others. You have to change yourself, not the others. You are on the driving seat. So you know where to move. Whether you are going in a right direction or whether you have taken a shortcut. If you misbehave with people, if you disturb people, if you are not happy with people, it is your fault. It is not others' fault. Third is compare yourself, compare yourself with not with others. Define your success with your yesterday success. Today's success, if you are getting success today, you have a competition with yourself. So don't define your success with others. Others' success are situational. How much they have made labor, they have done labor, how much they have contributed in the life, how much they have position from the family, and how much people are liking them. So your success depends on yourself itself. Today's success you have to compare with yesterday's success, and tomorrow's success you have to compare with today's success. So I can say that if a situation is like that you are getting success, it cannot be true that it is always the situation will be in your favor. Odds or evens. Every After every night there is morning, and after every morning there is evening and there is night. The only person you should try to beat is only the person you are beating. I should say the only person is based on the life of yourself. If you are beating yourself, then you are going to the path towards success. Happiness is measured in number of days. Life is measured in days. Like, it is not measured in years. Or it is not to be said that you are getting something today. Maybe you are not getting tomorrow. Maybe you have got something yesterday, maybe you are not getting today. So it is measured in terms of days only. आज का दिन अगर खराब है, ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आपका कल का दिन भी खराब होगा। ये कहीं नहीं लिखा, कहीं गारंटी नहीं है कि आपका कल का दिन खराब होगा। आज का दिन अगर खराब है तो आज का दिन, आज का सूरज ढलेगा, नया मॉर्निंग आएगा, नया सिस्टम्स आएंगे, नए अपॉर्चुनिटीज आएंगी, नए थ्रेट्स आएंगे, नए चैलेंजेस आएंगे, और उसमें हम अगर रम जाए तो हम अपने साथ अपनी लाइफ को आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर एक पेन है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, उसको हम होल्ड करे रखें, 25 ग्राम का पेन होता है, लेकिन अगर 3 से 4 घंटे होल्ड करके रखें तो क्या होगा? हाथ दर्द करने लगेगा। अगर हाथ दर्द करने लगेगा तो आप क्या कहोगे? यार भाड़ में जाइए पेन। ऐसी अगर आप येस्टरडे की कोई सिचुएशन को जकड़ के रखोगे तो आने वाली जो सिचुएशंस है वो येस्टरडे की सिचुएशंस पे हावी हो जाएंगी। आप थक जाओगे, आप मेंटली थक जाओगे। तो मेंटली अगर आपने फिट रहना है तो अपनी लाइफ को इस तरह बढ़ाना है जैसे कि एवरी डे इज अ न्यू डे। लेट गो टेक्निक वाला, लेट द सिचुएशन मूव इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड गो। यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट द ट्रूथ। Acceptance is the biggest thing in life. If you accept the truth, then there is no worries, no tensions, no guilt, no fear. Life is measured in days. Within few days, your life changes. So I come to the next point. The point says that you yourself has to see that your life is going smooth or not. If your life is not going smooth, then there is problem in you, not in others. Don't blame others for your situations. Never blame कि सरकार ने ये नहीं करा, never blame मेरे बच्चों ने ये नहीं करा, never blame मेरी बीवी ऐसी नहीं है, never blame मेरे रिश्तेदार खराब है। जो सिचुएशन है आज आपकी, उसकी जिम्मेदारी आपकी है। अगर इस सिचुएशन से बाहर निकलना चाहते हो तो इस सिचुएशन को देखो, इससे सीखो और अपने पे ट्रस्ट लाओ, कॉन्फिडेंस लाओ और अपने एटीट्यूड को चेंज करके इसको ओवरकम करो और लेट इट गो एंड विन द सिचुएशन विच आर कमिंग इन योर फ्यूचर लाइफ। Next point, if I say, is that the experience of yesterday may be good, may be bad, cannot be surety of experience or a surety of a better or future or a good life in future. So you yourself are to who is sitting on the driving seat. You yourself are sitting on the driving seat. So you have to change, not to change others, you have to change yourself. Which way the car is moving, left, right, straight, when to stop, when to accelerate, it is you who have to decide. Don't compare yourself with others. Your competition is with you. Every day you, if fulfill your objective, next day come out with new objective and ultimately go nearer to the goal. As if Joe Biden, he was vice president of United States of America for 2 times, but the 3rd time he became the president. So if you are not giving your 200%, and if you are thinking that कि आज ही मेरे को सक्सेस मिल जाएगी, नहीं, सक्सेस टेक टाइम। सक्सेस विल बी ऑन अ डिफिकल्ट प्लेटफॉर्म। इफ सक्सेस इज देयर, then your platform, your surroundings, your challenges are more. To cope up with that success, you have to be very diligent, you have to be very soft spoken, you have to not blame others. Blame yourself, not others. And the next point is that you yourself are having best knowledge in your hand. If your knowledge is good, how the knowledge is good? It is through experience, reading good books, watching right movies, your संगत, आपके दोस्त, आपका परिवार, आपकी सराउंडिंग्स और आपका बिहेवियर. अगर ये सब पैटर्न में है, एक अच्छे तरीके से सजा हुआ है और उसको आप ग्रैब करते हो, तो नेचुरली आपकी सक्सेस में कोई बाधा नहीं ला सकता. तो अगर हम कहें कि सक्सेस और बेटर लिविंग के लिए हमें क्या करना है, तो हमें कभी किसी को क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करना, अब्यूज नहीं करना, किसी के साथ झगड़ा नहीं करना, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स हमेशा पोजेस करना है, नॉलेजेबल होना है, ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करना है, हमें अपने आप से कंपटीशन करना है. हमारा कंपटीशन दूसरों से नहीं है. सिचुएशंस को एक्सेप्ट करना है. एक्सेप्टेंस इज द बिगेस्ट ट्रूथ. ऑनेस्टी इज विद योरसेल्फ एंड अदर्स. देन हेल्पिंग इज ऑल्सो अ सक्सेस. career making is also a success. Money making is also a success. Having a healthy life is also a success. तो हेल्थ, वेल्थ, हैप्पीनेस, इन 3 चीजों पर ध्यान देना है. ये 3 चीजें जब ही आएंगी जब आप अपने आप को चेंज करोगे, नहीं कि दूसरों को चेंज करने की कोशिश करोगे. अपने आप को चेंज करो और हेल्थ, वेल्थ और बहुत खुशी, smile on your face. It increases your face value. Smile on your face. Health, wealth and happiness. Any comments? Please write down comment. Subscribe my channel. I am Rohit Khanna. My phone number is 9899309999. I repeat, it is coming on the flash. 9899309999. And subscribe my channel Unforgettable Motivation.